Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Mazda remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is we need to remove this cover here. So we slide this little clip here at the bottom of the fob over, which releases the catches, and we can slide off the case. Now what we need to do, just in this top left hand corner, there's a little clip. Yep, this cover here, which we just need to press, which releases this half of the case. You can use the blade to push it, or I'm just going to use a little flathead screwdriver because sometimes it can be quite tricky and quite tight. And there you go. We just unclip the cover. The battery is just situated behind this cover here. So again, we get our little flathead screwdriver, get underneath it, and just remove the cover. And there is the battery. We just get underneath it and we just prise it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we pop it back into the housing. On this particular fob, we make sure that the writing is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time just to pop it all back together. So we get the cover, line it all up, just click it back in place. Now we get this cover again. Make sure everything lines up. We just click it back together. Now it's time to pop this one back on. What we need to do, we need to line these three up here with the three up on this cover here. It should just click all back together. And there you go. It's all done.